Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about JavaScript events with examples. JavaScript events are actions that happens in the browser when a user interacts with a web page. Okay. JavaScript events are actions that happen in the browser when a user interacts with a web page. Okay. For example, clicking a button and typing in a text box, okay, and submitting a form, etc. Okay, and first we'll think about click events, and second one key up event, third one submit event, fourth one change event, fifth one load event. So we will discuss one by one. First we will discuss click event. Okay, click event. Click event to trigger when a user clicks on an element like button, link, div, etc. Triggered when a user clicks on an element, button, link, etc. For example, button, click me, okay, and on click is equal to show MSG, and script tag function show MSG alert button clicked. Okay, we'll check. Localhost JavaScript click me, yes, button clicked, click me, button clicked. Okay, this one to use button clicks, menu clicks, link actions. Okay, and second point key up event triggered when a user releases a key after typing. When a user releases a key after typing. Okay, in this for example, input type is equal to text, on key up show text this value. Okay, and next p, okay, id is equal to output. Okay, and to script tag function show text value, document dot get element by id, output inner HTML is equal to value. Okay, we'll check. Yes, Shivakumar. Okay, Ravi Kumar. Kiran. Okay, and next this one to use live search, password validation, real time typing display. And next, coming to third point, submit event. Okay, to trigger when a form is submitted. To trigger when a form is submitted. For example, form. Okay, in the form, on submit is equal to return check form. Okay, and this input type is equal to text, id is equal to name required, same, button is equal to submit. Okay, in this type is equal to submit. Okay, now we'll check script tag, function, check form, alert, form submitted successfully. Okay, and return false. This one to prevent page reload. Now we'll check. Okay, Kiran. Yes, form submitted. Now suppose for example empty. Kiran, form submitted successfully. If it is empty, yes, please fill the validation. Okay, in this to use for this form validation, data submission, prevent form auto refresh. Okay, next coming to change event. Change event to trigger when a input value changes and user leaves that field. Trigger when input value changes and user leaves the field. Okay, for example example to select on change is equal to show course this value. Okay, ID not required, and after this same option, value is equal to empty. First one select, again option, value is equal to PHP. Next option, value is equal to JavaScript. Okay, now p tag ID is equal to result. ID is equal to result. Before that, take BR tag, two BR tags. In this, to select script tag, function, show course value. This document dot get element by ID result inner HTML is equal to selected plus VAL. Now we'll check. Yes, suppose PHP, yes, selected PHP, JavaScript. Okay, again PHP, selected PHP, JavaScript, selected PHP. Here to use drop down selections, checkbox change, radio button change. Next final fifth one, load event triggered when the page is fully loaded. Triggered when the page is fully loaded. For example, body onload is equal to page load. Okay, and before that script tag, function, page load. Okay, alert page loaded successfully. Okay, now we'll check in the browser. Refresh. Yes, page loaded successfully. Again refresh, page loaded successfully. Again refresh, page loaded successfully. Here to use this one to load data on page start and show welcome message. Show welcome message. Initialize scripts. Initialize scripts. Okay. Onload. The function is onload. Okay. And finally, modern JavaScript event method. That means add event listener. Add event listener. For example, button ID, click ID is equal to btn. Okay, now script tag document dot get element by ID btn. Okay, add event listener. Okay, and click function alert clicked using add event listener. Okay, now we'll check. Page refresh, click, click, document data btn ID, function mistake. Yes, refresh, click, clicked using add event listener, clicked add event listener. This one to use cleaner code, multiple events, best practice method. Okay, finally quick summary for this event. Purpose of event: one, click, mouse click, key up, key released, submit, form submit, change, input value change, load, page fully loaded. Okay, thank you.